Hi there, and welcome to the new and improved Sport Passport. Over the last year, we've undertaken a large piece of work to bring you a better and faster lesson management system to replace the previous Aqua Passport. We started by listening to you, our providers, and your users to understand pain points and requirements. Then we built the new system to address many of the problems that you told us about. This video will help you to familiarise yourself with the new system and is aimed at provider admins. We have created several other videos aimed at swim managers, instructors and learners, which you may also want to watch. This is your login screen. Here we will ask you to accept or reject additional cookies, and you can also use the Forgot Password link if you have forgotten your password and need to reset it. In the old system, different sports or different centres were often set up as different providers, managed by an overarching partner admin. In Sport Passport, everything is managed at a provider admin level. That means that your sports, your centres, your instructors, your courses, your admins, and your learners can all be managed under one login. You can delegate management of some of these elements to your swim managers too. The first screen you'll see here when you log in is your home page. You'll notice that the site looks and feels much more modern. It's easier to find what you need and the design is slick and user-friendly. You can get to your profile here. If you need to log out of Sport Passport, you can do that here. You'll notice that Sport Passport is much faster than the old system. Focusing on performance, the technology powering it under the hood is much more sophisticated, utilising cutting-edge Azure cloud technology. As we continue to grow and develop Sport Passport, updating with new features is easier and faster. From your homepage, your dashboard will show you how many frameworks, centres, instructors, learners and courses are within your provider. From this high-level snapshot, you can easily drill down into more data and deep dive into management of a particular aspect by clicking on the red buttons. You can also use the menu index on the left-hand side to access these areas. Here you can view all of your existing frameworks and easily see all the details. These icons tell you whether a framework is a global or a provider level framework. Here you can create a new framework, adding in stages and objectives in a few short clicks. You can also add in trophies, videos, and supporting files as resources here. These will be viewable by learners in the Learner portal. You can come back later to edit, but once the framework is active, it can't be changed. Here you can view courses within a framework. Please don't edit any of these existing courses or add any additional courses, as they are added via overnight import. Any changes you do make may be overwritten. You can view all of the information about your existing courses, such as course details, sessions, the course instructor, and the learners on the course. Here you can manage your learners. You can view information such as important medical details, and you can see which courses they take part in and which centres they attend. Please don't edit any of these learners or add any new ones, as they are added via overnight import. Any changes you do make will be overwritten. Here you can view details about your instructors. Instructors are also managed through the overnight import, so please don't add any new instructors or edit existing ones. Any changes you do make may be overwritten. The import won't remove instructors. If you want to remove an instructor, you can do that here. You can reset an instructor's password here if they have forgotten or lost it. If a swim manager manages the instructor's account, the reset email will be sent to them. You can manage your centres in the Centres tab. You can view all of the details about your existing centres here. If you need to remove a centre, you can do that here. Please do not add any new centres or edit any details, as this is also done via an overnight import. Finally, you can manage and create groups of learners. This feature will enable easier moving of learners between different classes. That finishes our overview of Sport Passport from a provider admin point of view. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope that